Are you tired of spending hours editing your writing and still not getting the results you want? Discover QuillBot, the AI powered tool that will revolutionize the way you write and edit. Simply enter your text into the input box, and QuillBot's advanced AI will work with you to create the best paraphrase. Click on any word in the paraphrase to see the list of suggested synonyms and pick up the best word or phrase to express your meaning. QuillBot also has a grammar checker to improve your English grammar, spelling, and punctuation error. Trust QuillBot's grammar checker to find errors and perfect your English. But that's not all. QuillBot features Summarizer tool. Summarize any text with the click of button. QuillBot AI uses natural language processing to locate critical information while maintaining the original context. Whether you have a news article, research paper, or any confusing paragraph, the Summarizer tool will help you get the information you need. With QuillBot, you can write better, faster, and smarter.
Discover latest AI tools with video demos. Visit AIdemos.com.